G'day folks, and welcome to another tips and tricks from 4motion Adventures. As you can see from the footage we've just played, over the last 12 months we have travelled all over Australia. We've been on outback tracks, over beaches, forestry trails, highways and everything in between. And so far our van has performed faultlessly. Now, one of the reasons I believe we don't have any dramas with our van is that we get it serviced as per the manufacturer's recommendation. Now for us it's every 15,000 Ks, but I keep an eye on the oils and all the vital parts regularly. In fact, I do it every day when we're out and about. Now, to keep us moving, we get our van serviced at Denlo Volkswagen in Parramatta. The reason we chose Denlo Parramatta is that these guys are experts on everything to do with Volkswagen. Our journey with Denlo Volkswagen began last Christmas. We had a problem with our accessories fuse and I could not find it, using a test light going over the whole vehicle. Anyway, I took it down there and the lovely Jessica, and I hope you're watching, Jessica, because you deserve full credit here, she told me that they were booked out till January, but to leave the van there and they'll see what they can do. Now, to their credit, somehow they checked over the van, they found the problem, and I got a call from Jessica and she told me that it's a fuse that is imported from Germany and there was only one left in Australia. And what they were going to do is get it couriered there that day to get me back on the road in the afternoon. So I thought, okay, great, let's get it done. Anyway, around 4 o'clock, I get a call from Jessica. She tells me van's ready to go and to come and pick it up. So I went back there, picked up the van, and I couldn't believe it. The service was just unbelievable. And not only that, this whole exercise cost me 38 bucks. But you know, for me, it wasn't the money, it was just the service, just going that extra mile. So from that moment forward, I knew we could trust these guys, and that's why we don't go anywhere else to get our van serviced, but at Denlo Volkswagen. So after we had that great experience, what I decided to do was have a chat with the service manager and start the discussion going about what type of spares we should carry when we travel on our trip. That then led to the creation of what we're going to call our 4motion Adventures spares kit. So I'm going to show you what's in this box here we've got that we've actually bought. And look, if you've seen some of our other videos, you'll know, front runner, this is our favourite boxes. We got them everywhere in the van. And if it's not in a box or a canvas bag, it doesn't get packed in the van. So anyway, we're going to show you what's in this bad boy. And this is what we think, with the help of the service technicians at Denlo, of what you should carry when you head out bush. Here's the contents of the box. We've got a whole stack of goodies. I'm going to take them out and show you what's in there. Okay, I've unraveled the box and now I'm going to show you what we've got in here, and this is a great starting point to consider for your travels. So starting from the left, we've got ourselves a air filter, a radiator cap, a fan belt, some coolant, engine oil, brake fluid, steering fluid, a fuel filter, a thermostat. We've got a couple of fuses that we carry, an oil filter, spare wheel nuts in case you lose one or they rattle loose. And we've got some bulbs for tail lights and headlights. Righto, so this is the kit. Now, some of the things here you're not going to do yourself. And in fact, the advice I've got by the head technician down there at Denlo's is that some things you shouldn't do. For example, you're not going to be changing a thermostat or even the oil filter, you know, because some of these things require a bit of skill and tools to do so. But having them on board means that if you get to a town, or you get transported to a town by a tow truck, you've got the gear for a technician to be able to do it for you. Some of the common things that you'll be able to top up, however, are things like coolant, your brake fluid, power steering, oil. You can certainly have a go at changing light bulbs and things like that, the air filter. And in another video, I am going to go through and show you some of the common things that you can do yourself to keep you moving. Righto, well that's our spares kit. I hope this video has helped you start to think about some of the spares you'd like to carry. And I really want to thank Denlo Volkswagen for helping me put this kit together. You guys have been great. And again, that customer service, keep it up, because that's what makes a difference. Anyway, we're going to get this all packed up and get ready for our next trip, or for the love of travel. Have a good one, folks.